Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss reaction of acids with metals. Okay, if we drop a metal piece in an acid, okay, if we drop a metal piece in an acid, it reacts with acid. Metal reacts with acid and release hydrogen gas. Okay, if we drop a metal with acid, metal reacts with the acid, metal piece and acid. Drop metal piece in an acid. Okay, if we drop metal piece in an acid, metal reacts with the acid and releases hydrogen gas. Okay, metal react with acids and releases hydrogen gas. How can we prove this? Means by doing an activity. To this activity, what are the materials required? What are the required materials? We need one conical flask. Okay, and zinc pieces. Zinc, it is a metal, zinc metal pieces. Okay, and hydrochloric acid, that too diluted hydrochloric acid. Okay, and incense stick, and one matchbox. To prove that metal on reaction with acid releases the hydrogen gas, what are the materials required? Conical flask, zinc metal pieces, diluted hydrochloric acid, incense stick means agarbatti stick, and matchbox. Okay, in a conical flask, okay, this is the conical flask. Okay, in a conical flask, take 5 grams of zinc. 5 grams of zinc. To this add 20 ml diluted HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, and we should observe. Okay, in a conical flask, take 5 grams of zinc and add 20 ml of diluted HCl. Okay, metal, we are telling that metal reacts with the acids and gives the hydrogen gas. No, how can we prove this? Means put the incense stick here. Light the incense stick and keep here. Okay, incense stick here. It is lighting incense stick. It puts off with the after a zinc react with the HCl, this incense matchstick will puts off with the pop sound. Okay, this stick puts off with the pop sound. Pop and sound వచ్చి ఈ స్టిక్ ఆరిపోతుంది అనమాట. From this we can confirm that zinc metal on reaction with acid releases hydrogen gas. Okay, take the conical flask. In this takes 5 grams of zinc pieces and to this add 20 ml of diluted HCl. Okay, and after few minutes and we should observe what is happening. We are telling that hydrogen gas will release on reaction of metal with the acid. To prove that, put the lighting incense stick at the mouth of the conical flask. It puts off with the pop sound. It confirms that the released gas is hydrogen. Okay, zinc pieces and reaction with hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay, Zn means it is the symbol of zinc. Hydrochloric acid HCl. Okay, Zn plus HCl gives zinc chloride, ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, metals on reaction with acid gives hydrogen, releases hydrogen gas. Okay, zinc chloride ZnCl2, hydrogen H2. Okay, it is a gas. We can prove this by another activity also. To this, what we have to do means, take the conical flask and drop some zinc pieces and add 5 grams of zinc pieces and 20 ml of diluted HCl. Okay, and okay, we should take the balloon. Okay, take one balloon and fix it to the mouth of the conical flask like this. Okay, in a conical flask, take 5 grams of zinc pieces and add 20 ml of HCl, hydrochloric acid, and fix one balloon at the mouth of the conical flask. Around the neck of the conical flask, we should keep one balloon. Okay, this balloon will be inflated. Okay, this balloon will inflate. ఓకే, అంటే గాలి ఉత్తే ఎలా అవుతుంది, అలా అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, డ్యూ టు ది hydrogen gas. Now remove the balloon with that gas and tie it and leave. When we leave that balloon, it flies away. It flies high in the sky. From that we can confirm that the released gas is hydrogen gas. Why it is flying high means the hydrogen gas is lighter than the air. H2, hydrogen gas is lighter than air, so it flows, this balloon flies high in the sky. Okay, another experiment for the another activity, take one conical flask, to the metal add HCl and fix the balloon around the neck of the conical flask. Okay, and after some time the balloon will inflate due to the gas released by this reaction. And now remove that balloon carefully and tie its mouth. Okay, remove the balloon with the gas, okay, with the gas in it, and tie the balloon and leave it. Okay, it will fly high in the sky. Why it is flying high, why it is going away very high means the gas in that balloon is hydrogen gas. Okay, why this hydrogen gas is lighter than the air, so it flies high. Okay, from this we can confirm that metals on reaction with acids releases hydrogen gas. Okay, from these two activities we can confirm the metal on reaction with acid releases hydrogen gas. Okay, see, if spoon left in pickles for a long time, what will happen? We will see that spoon corrode, తినేసినట్టు అయిపోతుంది కదా స్పూన్. వై ద స్పూన్ ఈజ్ కరోడింగ్ మీన్స్ that spoon is a metal, it is made up of metal. This spoon, if it is left in the pickle contains acid reacts with this metal, acid in the pickles reacts with the metal and releases toxic substances in the pickles, toxic substances in that container. Okay, pickle in that container, so it is harmful to our health. If spoon was left in the pickles for a long time, spoon is getting corroding. Why? Means spoon is a metal, it is reacting with the pickles, acid in the pickles and releasing toxic substances in the pickles. It is harmful to our health. See, pickles are stored in ceramic containers, ceramic jars or containers, or glass containers. Why they are stored in ceramic or glass jars means, if we store the pickle in the metal container, metals react with the acids in the pickles and releases toxic substances into that pickles. It is harmful to our health. So pickles must be stored in the ceramic or glass jars. Okay. So pickles are not, why the pickles are not being stored in metal containers like aluminum jars or steel jars or copper jars, means they will react with the acids in the pickles and releasing the toxic substances. So to avoid that, these pickles are stored in ceramic jars or glass jars. Next, reaction of acids with eggshell. Okay, acids eggshell అంటే కోడిగుడ్డు పై పెంకు వైట్ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది కదా, దాని పైన పెంకు ఎగ్షెల్. ఓకే, ఎగ్షెల్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ కాల్షియం కార్బోనేట్. Eggshell is nothing but calcium carbonate. Okay, take a test tube. What happen when acid react with the eggshell means, take a diluted HCl and add some calcium carbonate formula is CaCO3. Okay, calcium carbonate. To the acid add eggshell. Okay, calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, hydrochloric acid. Okay, acid on reaction with the eggshell. This is eggshell. Eggshell is nothing but calcium carbonate. Okay, hydrochloric acid on reaction with the eggshell calcium carbonate, it gives carbon dioxide gas. It releases carbon dioxide gas along with calcium chloride and H2O. How can we prove this means, take a test tube. Take a test tube and crush the eggshell. Crush the eggshell and take in this test tube. Okay, now add diluted HCl or diluted hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Okay, to take the crushed eggshell in a test tube and to this add diluted HCl. Okay, now it reacts with this acid reacts with this calcium carbonate and releases the carbon dioxide. I was telling now, how can we prove this means, put the lighting matchstick here. Put the lighting matchstick here. వెలుగుతున్న మ్యాచ్ స్టిక్ని ఉంచండి. ఓకే, after when his acid reacts with the eggshell, it puts off. Okay, this lighting matchstick will puts off due to the release of the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, from this we can confirm that acid on reaction with calcium carbonate releases carbon dioxide gas. Okay, reaction of acid with eggshell. Eggshell means calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. Acid on reaction with eggshell releases carbon dioxide gas. How can we prove this means, in a test tube take the crushed eggshell. Okay, to this add acid, hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Okay, and put the lighting mastic at the mouth of the test tube. Okay, after some time it puts off with the this lighting mastic will puts off. It confirms the release of carbon dioxide on reaction of acid with eggshell. Okay, next, reaction of bases with metal. Okay, reaction of bases with metal. Okay, bases also react with metal and releases hydrogen gas, but all the bases will not react with the metals. ఓకే, అన్ని బేసెస్ మెటల్తో రియాక్ట్ అవ్వవు, కొన్ని బేసెస్ మెటల్తో రియాక్ట్ అయ్యి హైడ్రోజన్ గ్యాస్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, టుడే వాట్ వి డిస్కస్డ్ రియాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్స్ విత్ మెటల్స్. మెటల్ యాసిడ్తో రియాక్ట్ అయితే హైడ్రోజన్ గ్యాస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మెటల్ ఆన్ రియాక్షన్ విత్ యాసిడ్ releases hydrogen gas. To prove this, we had done one activity. To that activity, what are the materials required means conical flask, hydrochloric acid, zinc pieces, incense stick, okay, matchbox. Okay, in a conical flask take 5 grams of zinc pieces. To this add 20 ml of diluted hydrochloric acid. Okay, it reacts with the metal reacts with the acid and releases the hydrogen gas. No, how can we prove this means put the lighting incense stick at the mouth of the conical flask. It puts off with the pop sound. It confirms the release of hydrogen gas on reaction of metal with the acid. Okay, now we can prove this by another activity. Take the conical flask and add into the zinc pieces, add diluted HCl and fix the balloon at the mouth of the around the mouth of the conical flask. Okay, after some time it will inflate. Okay, గాలి ఊతే ఎలా అవుతుందో అలా అవుతుంది అనమాట. Now remove that balloon with that gas carefully and tie its mouth and leave. Okay, it will fly away, it will fly high. From that we can confirm that the released gas is hydrogen. Why it is flying high means it is hydrogen gas is lighter than the air. Okay, here metal is reacting with the acids. Pickles also having the acids, so pickles must be stored in ceramic jars or glass jars. We must not store pickles in the aluminum or copper aluminum jars or copper jars or steel jars. Why? Because that metals will react with the acids in the pickles and releases toxic substances in that pickles. It is harmful to our health. See, if you observe the spoon left in the pickles for a long time, we are observing that spoon is corroding, తినేసినట్టు అయిపోతుంది కదా. Why? Because that is metal reacting with the acids in the pickles. Okay, next, reaction of acid with the eggshell. Eggshell means calcium carbonate. Okay, కోడిగుడ్డు పై పెంకు వచ్చేసి ఏంటంటే కాల్షియం కార్బోనేట్. What happen when acid reacts with the eggshell means it releases carbon dioxide gas. Okay, to prove this, take the test tube. In a test tube take some take the crushed eggshell. To this add acid, to prove that carbon dioxide gas is evolved, put the lighting mastic at the mouth of the test tube. It puts off. From that we can confirm that the released gas is carbon dioxide. Next, reaction of bases with the metals. Bases and reaction with the metals like acids, they also will release the hydrogen gas, but all the bases will not react with the metals. Okay, thank you.